you're over. Go to your right a little. Yeah, you can go up on the rock now. Was that close? Not bad. We're good.
All right, guys, so we just warmed up some water and put the yeast and sugar in here. We are actually going to make bread out here. I don't know why. We just felt like doing it. Something we wanted to do. No reason specifically.
I think you're supposed to stir while you do it.
We don't want to stop. Are we gonna fry it? And there it is. I think it turned out pretty good, but we'll see how it tastes. Next time.
Smell that thing.
Let's try that bread.
Ooh.
All right, let me do it. That's good.
That's really good.
Guys, try some. There's no way we made bread.
Yeah,
That's not bad, right?
that's really good.
That's
Try too much.
Yeah, it's probably too much.
I didn't notice I could have clear vinyl bar.
And if you can hear that, I think that means it's close to being done. Let's see how this goes. Yep. Okay. This is a camping tradition now for sure. We're gonna make some bread and have some sausage gravy. That is so good. Wow. Alright guys, well that was a fun trip. I had no idea this level of off-roading was right nearby us. That was a really good time. We made bread at camp and we made sausage gravy, which I don't know why I felt like learning how to do that, but it sounded good and it was good. I think this place has a lot to offer for people who just want to get out of the city for a little bit, maybe even test out their rig. This thing definitely, it got caught up at a few things. Luckily A-Track brought it through. And just another note, when you're up here, definitely respect the place, because stuff like this, you see this all over here. And I don't know what the deal is about this spot, like everywhere. It's hideous and such a beautiful place. It's really too bad, and I hope people learn to respect their the outdoors. If there's anything I could say, it's take 2 bags in and pack 2 out with trash. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed a little bit of our adventure. We'll see you in the next one.